In this video, I want to give you a completely strategy that will simplify your way to trade a lot. So before I go ahead, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for other juicy video like this. So let's go on my laptop and I will show you immediately what I am talking about. So we are here on the real market. These are not simplified examples. We are real market, real shit, as they used to say. So we are in the Bitcoin chart, and as you can see, the price had a little bit of resistance in this level, then it dropped down, and after it tried to reach down, it got rejected again in this area. So what I want you to do is to draw a rectangle from this wick until here. Let's make it a little bit longer. Let's draw this rectangle, then I will explain you why. And another one here. So basically we just draw our range of supply and demand, or we can also call them as support and resistance. What means? This is what I believe the price, it will move around this area. So the game here, the strategy, it's very easy to follow. The only thing that you need to for real observe and respect is wait. You need to wait a confirmation. You cannot enter, okay, this is the range, I can do whatever I want. No, you need to wait a confirmation. It's only about wait. This is the game, the waiting game. The more you are patient, the more you wait, the more profit you get, because the strategy, it's very easy. You just have to wait for a confirmation, enter in your trade, take the profit, then again wait another confirmation, enter in another trade and take another profit. So what I'm gonna do, I will wait that Bitcoin, it will drop once again around this area, even if it not touch. Now we will see. And after it reach this area, I will enter in a buy position until here. So let's go a little bit. Let's make it work. As you can see, it reached the area and also it got rejected. So which means that we see the pull up here, it touched perfectly, and then it have a nice beautiful rejection. So in this case we can enter from here, we can enter for a long position and we'll place our stop loss below the last long red wick candle, and our take profit, we are trying to have around 1 to 2 risk reward ratio, but since this one is fast scalping, we can take every profit we can. So as we can see, we smashed our profit, but it's not finished, because you can do this strategy multiple times. Because let's go ahead, as we can see, the price, after we got our profit in a long position, now we're gonna enter in a short position, because we're gonna repeat our game, which means that we're gonna enter in a short position as here, with our stop loss above the last week and always outside from the rectangle area that we draw, and we put our take profit around here, and let's see how it goes. And as you can see, we smashed our profit once again, and here we could enter once again in another long position and wait here, then again here, then again here, like this for real. So this strategy, it's extremely crazy, it's amazing, because we just found the area where the price will always move. Because it's also true that the price, it can break and go or above or below this rectangle, but as you can see, in most of the case, the price just got rejected, because this is a consolidation area. It's very easy to find this kind of consolidation area, and you can use it anytime. Guys, this is the strategy. So I will explain you once again. Let me explain you once again. Let me remove this drawing. So basically, guys, what we did after we've seen this long drop in this area, we saw a big rejection, which means that is the key level. We found our first key level, which means that is the area, the price range where the price have a strong rejection, or it also can pass through, but in most of the case, in over 90% of the case, the price have big rejection. So what we need to do is just to draw this rectangle for putting more evidence our area of rejection, which we can call also support or resistance, or also supply and demand, or whatever you want. So what we need to do is just wait that the price get a rejection from the key level that we marked. We go, and the price, it will go in the other key level. In the other key level, we're gonna enter in a short position in this case and go for wait our take profit. Then after we smash our take profit, we are gonna enter in a long position until the other support or resistance zone, since we are talking or a long position, we are talking a short position. This strategy, it works in the daily, in the 5-minute chart, in the 1-minute chart. You can use it wherever you want. Of course, in the daily chart, in the 4-hour chart, in the 1-hour chart, we're talking about long-term trading or swing trade, and these rectangles are the area that are much stronger in the bigger time frames, because if we go for example the 5 minutes and the 1 minutes, you have to count it only if you are doing quick in and out scalping trades. You cannot trust too much this support or this resistance in the 1-minute chart, because it's not strong enough. So guys, this was very easy strategy, ones that I used to share also in my YouTube channel and also my copy trading group, because this is what we do for make profit every day. And also, if you are a beginner, you want to start to trading crypto, you can do in the best of the way, just simply copying our trades. You just have to go on cryptosniperofficial.com. You will find the link in the description. Just go on cryptosniperofficial.com and you will find all the steps that you need to follow for copy our trade 100% automatically. Just need to create account and go on here, and from here you will be able to sign up on Bybit and you will be able to follow our trade for free. So what you need to do is go on cryptosniperofficial.com, click the link below. You will create an account of Bybit that if you do using this button, you will receive up to $30,000 bonus after you sign up and deposit. And from here you will be able to contact me for receive the invitation link for be able to follow my trade. Guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you understand the strategy. Let me know what you think in the comment and see you in the next video. Ciao.